Hey all, welcome to my channel. If you have not subscribed to it, please subscribe to it and do not forget to hit the bell icon present on the right side of it to get the notifications about it. Who needs those expensive spa products when you have got milk in your house? Milk baths have been around for centuries. Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be telling you about benefits of raw milk. Raw milk has been used for centuries to cleanse, soften and moisturize the skin. The Queen of Egypt, Cleopatra, is renowned for her daily beautifying baths, purely composed of raw milk. It hydrates and replenishes the skin, leaving a good glow and radiance. Raw milk is an excellent anti-tanning agent. It moisturizes and conditions the skin from within. It works wonder on both dry and oily skin. It basically multitasks. It is a skin toner, moisturizer, skin cleanser, anti-tanning agent, fairness agent, anti-acne agent, anti-aging, adds glow, adds radiance, natural sunscreen, treats dry skin, exfoliates, fades blemishes. The lactic acid present in milk is excellent for skin lightening. Just take a cotton ball, dip it in milk and smear raw milk daily on your face and neck. Keep it there for 10 minutes and wash with cold water. Do it every day to see the difference in weeks. Raw milk contains all the nourishing nutrients for the entire body since it has not been heated, pasteurized or treated in any way. The only raw milk that you should use is the only that comes straight from pasteurized fed cows. Factory raised cows are injected with BGH, that is bovine growth hormone, and are fed unnatural. They are provided high corn-based diets to increase the milk production. It is rich in vitamin B, A, vitamin D, vitamin B12, biotin, proteins, lactic acid, potassium, magnesium, calcium, selenium, alpha hydroxy acids and antioxidants. People with oily skin can also use it since it can draw excess of sebum from within the pores and tighten the large pores also. If you have acne skin, it will exfoliate and cure your acne. Who does not want a good skin? Just a few simple changes in your everyday skincare regime can add to your beauty. So this was all for today. See you in the next one. Till the time, bye and stay connected.